Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my Canva complete course. Today is the first lecture of lecture 16, the first lecture of module 3. In today's lesson we are going to explore one of the most useful design feature, the position tool. If you have never struggled to align elements, arrange layers or organize your design neatly, this tool will make your workflow much faster and more professional. By the end of this lecture, you will know how to align objects, manage layer, space elements evenly, and create clean and balanced design. Let's start it. Let's open the existing Canva design or create new one. Firstly, let it open. So my Canva is open and I'll select this design which already I have created in our previous lectures. So let it open. Okay, you can see here are some text, some images and anything. Now, as you can see, everything is squared instead of moving each other manually. Canva position tool help us to organize. Firstly, let me unorganize this material and then I will tell you how to organize. Wait. So finally, I have moved the immediate text somehow little bit, not full, because it's giving math mini heart attack to erase my design fully. So now I will select the object. Now position, middle, bottom, top, center, left. Right. Okay, you can bottom, left, middle. Okay, you can also give a specific height or width to your text, or you can arrange by using drag and drop also. It's also good to lister, like if you want to use this text here, let me change the color of text. Where it gone? Color. Yeah. So we will do white. So I don't need required white. I just want to tell you something. That's why I do the text color white. Okay. Select. Now position. Okay. Layers. You can left click or use here. I will left click layer, send to back. Okay. Back mean the element which is on the top of this text, it will move back. If I will click back, then it will totally move back at the end, like back. And let me show you. This design is totally at the end of the design. Okay, so this is also a simple option. You can move back, front, and any other thing. Layers determine which element appear on top, which stay behind. For example, if I place the text behind the image, it become hidden. Now I will bring the text to the front so it is visible. Okay, now our second topic is align. I have tell you how to align your text. Like align page. You can align your page. And let me select my text. Okay, we will select this. Left click, align page, top, middle. You will align your text at the page. So alignment helps you to create neat, professional looping design. Instead of adjusting everything by eye, Canva align everything with a single click. My template is too much messy because I am spending you, that's why. Okay, so don't worry. There are different layers. The layer panel let you to see different objects in different designs. Like, so I will select this. No. I will select this. Position layer it is show you different design. This is especially useful for complex project where many overlapping elements are. So real project example. You have to create a real project example. Create a simple professional poster. Add image, add overlay, heading, product image, call to action button. Use the position tool to organize. Okay? Now, this is... Okay, let me tell you some common mistakes. Show a messy design, then use tools from position tool to fix it. A common beginner mistake is placing element randomly. Always align your object, organize your elements manually. Pro tips: use professional instead of dragging element manually. Keep text above images. Align multiple objects before exporting. Check your layer if the object is disappears. Your practice is create a new Instagram post or use your previous one post. And what you have to do is you have to align your object or tools. Okay? So, today's we have learned how to use position tool, how to arrange layers, how to bring an object forward and backward, organize professional layout. This professional tool is the Canva's most important feature, creating your object, align, clean, professional. In our next lecture, we will learn about layers in more detail. Okay? So, Allah Hafiz, and I will see you next lecture. Hope so you have learned many things. If you have any confusion or any question, so let me know in comment section. Goodbye.